Hello everybody, I am Trader Joe. Welcome to a live trading session where I'm going to be showing you how I scalp using pure price action. I'm trading in my funded futures account through Apex Trader Funding, scalping NASDAQ futures on the 2000 tick chart. Let's get into it. Also, if you'd like to earn a funded account through Apex, there is a link below for 50% off an evaluation. So taking a look at the price action today, we have a very obvious bullish uptrend. As you can see, prices are fitting nicely, touching the highs and the lows of the channel. I guess not the highs here, but it fits nicely. This is a solid structure that we could work off of. So right now I'm waiting for prices to come back to this channel right here. And the strategy we were trading, as always, is second entries. So wanting prices to come down and give us our first entry, or the first time that they attempt to go higher, and another pullback. And then on the second entry, that's when we'll get long. Well, we did get our pullback from the top here. We have our first entry long, another pullback, and this is our second entry long, which is what we're looking for. Actually looked like it would have worked here for 10 to 15 points, but I didn't take the trade. Is below this channel here. This is a pretty bearish move down, also below the EMA, so there was a lot of reasons why I didn't feel real confident taking that one. That's okay. We'll see where prices go next, and hopefully we can get a setup. All right, so we did have that little channel working down, and then we got a break of it, and a new low was formed. So we could safely assume that this downtrend is done. And then from there, we just kind of settled into this little range here. Price is just kind of going up and down. So looking for a false breakout. When you get a range and prices break out of it, they will usually fail, at least temporarily. So looking for a move to the upside that then fails, although I would rather see a move to the downside that then fails, because we do have all this bullish momentum. We had a break of that channel, expecting a new extreme eventually, so I'd be more hesitant to short here. So hopefully we can get a breakout that then fails and then tests this level right here, and then goes back up. That's what I'm looking for. So we'll see what happens. Well, we do have a breakout of the range here. What I'm looking for now is for prices to come back to the top. Looking for a second entry long, or just a nice bullish bar that we could play that ends up right around this level. So we'll see what we can get. Well, we never got a chance to make that play. Looks like prices are coming back into the range. So now we'll look for them to go on the bottom, and we'll either play a failed breakout to the bottom, or just a nice bounce off here with a bullish bar, and we can take that long. Well, we got prices making this pretty strong move to the downside here, so didn't even have a chance to play that back into the range. Now looking for some shorts. We do have a break of this channel here, so looking for a second entry to the short side. We did have a from these lows here, a pullback and a first entry, pullback and a second entry. Did not take it because this candle never quite got back to the exponential moving average, so it didn't set up perfectly, and now really we're getting pretty congested here, so gonna have to wait to see where prices go from here before we take a setup. Well, as you can see, prices just kept on moving down, so I did draw this wider channel. I'm just kind of looking for patterns now, because prices are just it's really interesting. Earlier I was waiting for us to continue moving up, and then we just kept going down, so that tells me that there's some sort of bearish imbalance going on. So I drew this wider channel. We'll see if it's validated once prices reach the bottom here. Then we can look for another setup. Well, we just blew right past that channel, as you can see, and now settling into a range. So I'm not really sure what's going on bigger picture. So right now I'm just going to play short-term range. Definitely got that going on. So we're starting to have a breakout of the range here to the downside. and the majority of breakouts from trading ranges will fail. So I'm actually looking for a nice bullish bar here to play long. So I'm going to put my order in, and it looks like I can actually sneak this back a little bit to get a better entry. I'll just keep moving this down. Okay, there we go. We are filled long right here. Looking for like 10 points or so. We'll see if we get a win here. Okay, price is starting to move in our favor. And here we go. Perfect. All right. So got a win there, 1-0 on the day for $551. You know, that took a long time to get that trade, man. And I actually have to get going to work, so unfortunately I can't sit around and let other things develop. So I'm going to take my win, and $551 is not too bad for the morning. Hope to get you guys on the next one. Take care, everybody.